Hello, I'm Brandon Witt, and I'm here to give you a GameMaker Basics tutorial. So let's get right into it. I've opened a new game already. So the first thing we're going to need to do is create a sprite. We'll find that in Resources, press Create Sprite. We're going to call this Sprite Player. Go to Edit Sprite, File, and Create from Strip. We're going to select Sprite Player, our sprite, and we're going to adjust the size accordingly. Each of these images is 64 by 64 pixels, and there's 6 of them. So this all looks about right. We'll press OK. We'll click this check mark right here. Our image looks good. And we'll press OK. So we have our sprite, and now we'll need to make this thing called an object. So we're going to go to Resources. We'll do Create Object, and we'll call this Object Player. And we'll select Sprite Player. So now you're going to see all this information, and we're going to slow down for a bit. So an object is an item you're going to use in your game. Almost all items you'll see in any room in GameMaker is going to be an object, and you can control what happens when it collides with something else, how it moves, what direction it moves, and etc., etc. There's this thing down here called Add Event. Click that, and you'll see even more stuff to click on. So the first thing we're going to do is choose what direction our player goes. So we'll do key press, and do key press up. In the move options over here, we'll do move fixed. We'll press the up arrow and set the speed to 10. So now that we made an event, let's make a room. So we'll go to Create Room, and let's call this Room Test. We can place our objects in the room wherever we want, and let's press this green play button up here. So if I were to press the up arrow, it won't stop moving. So if we want to fix that, we have to add another event to our object player. So we go to Add Event, Key Release. Make sure you select up. We'll put Move Fixed in there again, and press this stop sign in the center. Make sure the speed is 0, and press OK. So we'll test it in our room again. And it stops moving when we stop pressing up.